Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share like a small haul. I went to Sarojini Nagar I went to Sarojini Nagar yesterday and I picked up some stuff from there. I absolutely love shopping at Sarojini. Those really bargain places where you can get some really cool stuff and for like dirt cheap prices. So I picked up some stuff that I really want to share with you guys. You guys kind of enjoyed my last Sarojini Nagar haul, so I figured why not make another one. But this time it's going to be like a try-on haul. I've never really done that before, so I'm a little worried. But I just hope it turns out well, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, the first thing that I picked up was this off-shoulder top, big bow detailing right here, and the sleeves go about 3/4, and it's a very nautical kind of a top, and I really do like it. I hope the light is catching the colors, but it's red and white. It has red and white stripes. I really love this one. There are a lot of tops like these in Sarojini Nagar lately, off shoulders and blue stripes and red stripes, very nautical, and I really want to pick up a lot of them, but I end up just getting one because I really want to try it on. So I like this one. So the next thing that I picked up was this shirt. It's a button-down shirt. It's a button-down collar shirt and has those cold shoulders detailing going on right here. I absolutely love the shapes. I think the combination of greys and pinks and whites is absolutely gorgeous, and I am definitely drawn to such colors a lot more than bright colors. So I do like this one. You can pair them up with leggings, with jeans, with shorts. You can wear them also like a shrug. It looks amazing. So yeah, pick this one up. Next up, I picked up this dress. It's actually a denim dress, and I fell in love with the sleeves. Look at that. I love the detailing on the sleeves, and it's an off-shoulder dress. It fits perfectly, and the best part, guys, it has pockets. Are you kidding me? Can this dress get any more perfect? So this has pockets in them. It comes like a little above my knee, and you'll see it in the try on. But I love this color. I was definitely looking for a denim t-shirt or a denim shirt. This is one of those pieces that you can definitely just throw on and you're good to go. Wear it with some sneakers, with some gladiators, with some heels, with some... So you can throw it on pretty easily, and I really do like this one. Next up, I picked up this shrug. This is actually the first piece that I picked up from Sarojini, and the reason it's a very simple it's a very simple navy blue and white shrug. The thing that I liked about it was the detailing on the back. You see the crisscross going on here? You can definitely DIY this with any of your shrugs. I might just try doing that, but I really love the detailing. I think it looks really make your outfit look very well put together. You can wear this with shorts. I don't know, you can throw it over anything. You can wear like a white tank with leggings and throw this on. You can wear like a white tank with shorts and throw this on. I think this works perfectly for the summers. Okay. Next, I picked up this very simple t-shirt with a sparkling pineapple. Absolutely love this one. I think it's so quirky and it's so up my alley. I am drawn to very dark neutrals. At the same time, I'm drawn to something very sparkly. So this is beautiful. I absolutely love this t-shirt. A very basic t-shirt, styled up with jeans, with leggings, with shorts, with anything that you like. But it's very summery and I like it. The material is really soft. It also has some design going on with like different dots of different colors. But I love the pineapple detailing. Next up is one of my favorite things out of the entire haul is this dress. It's actually a short dress. The thing that I love about this is that it comes with padding, guys. The padding is good. It's not one of those cheap padding that you get in like suits and all. I think it's one of those padding that is pretty durable. It's really soft. I really like it. So you can skip the bra with this one. So I really do like this one, and it has a stretchable back. It is olive in color and has like floral prints all over it. It comes like a little above my knee. I kind of wish that it was like really long, like it was in a form of a maxi, but I can do with this. I think it's beautiful. The last thing that I picked up from the haul was my favorite thing in the entire haul. I love this. Like, my heart skipped a beat when I saw this, and I just knew that I had to get it. So this is the bag. Can you see how gorgeous this is? Like, are you kidding me right now? I love this one. I love anything quirky like this. This is one of the things that I definitely did want in my wardrobe. So I'm so glad that I found it there. And I think I hopped onto that area where I saw this bag. So I love this one. I love this one. I love the detailing. I love the tassel. I love the chain. I love the black. The black. I love the black bag. I love everything about it. Oh, I completely forgot. So I also picked up this top from Sarojini and I wore this out today, and it also has those mega sleeves going on. It's mustard in shade and it's pretty flowy right here. So I do like this one. I think again it's very summery. The color is very summery. Throw it with a pair of jeans, with leggings, with shorts. It's versatile, guys. Same day, I also ended up going to Pacific, where I picked up this jacket from Zara. I know the entire haul is pretty summery, but this jacket was actually can't speak today. This jacket was actually on sale, and this is normally for 3,990, and I got it for 1,890, I believe. Yeah. So pick this one up from Zara. Your wardrobe definitely needs a good leather black jacket. I do have one, but that is like for really peak winters, and this is the one that I can actually walk around with in those days when it's not too cold, but it's not not too cold either. So you get what I mean. So I picked this one up. I love it. I'm so glad that I did. And I'm so glad for the price that I got it in. So yay! So anyone who is still looking for this jacket, it's available at Zara and it's for the same price. At least at Pacific. I do not know about the rest of the outlets. You guys should check it out. But yeah, at Pacific it's still available. This is my small little haul from Sarojini and Zara. So I have definitely been trying really hard to curb my need for excessive shopping. I picked up these things because I truly fell in love with them. There were a lot of other things that I liked, but I did not pick them up because I'm trying to curb that need. So I love all these things. I tried them on. They look great, and that's why I want to share this haul with you guys. Because I have been shopping at Sarojini for such a long time that I do have certain stalls that I definitely go to. So if you guys wanna know about them, or if you guys want maybe like a video log when I'm at Sarojini the next time, definitely like the video down below and comment down below so I would know. And that's about it. So till the next time.